This is Golden Triangle here in St. Andrew, Jamaica. Hello friends, welcome back to Jamaica Real Estate TV. Just left from Trafalgar Road. And here we're driving through Golden Triangle. Passing by the Cambridge set of apartments. On our right, on our left is the Hampshire rather. These of course are new, relatively new apartment complexes in the area. Upper Musgrave Avenue on our left just now. I will try my best to drive not too fast, but it's not always very easy to do so. So do bear with me. So on our right, coming up on our right will be the AC Hotel. And of course that's where the ATL Autobahn car dealership, of course, for BMW and Mini in the area. Passing by Fairway Estate Apartments on our left. Coming up on our left is the delegation of the European Union here in Jamaica. That's their embassy here on Fairway Avenue. And from Fairway Avenue, we're taking this left onto Seymour Avenue. Passing by the Chinese embassy here on our right. And from Seaview Avenue we turn on to Montrose Avenue. International Development Bank on our right now. Coming up to straight ahead is Vale Royal. Are very much in a hurry. And now we're looking at the residence for the High Commissioner of Canada. Trying to show you as much as I can all the interesting spots. Passing by a fruit vendor. And if you're in the area and you would like to learn to swim, or your children would like to learn to swim, this left turn, this place on our left is where you can go to learn, or one of the places at least. Left there seems to be some construction being done. Passing by the Campion College High School on our right. And now we're leaving Hopefield Avenue. Turning now onto Hope Road. Turn back, well not back, but to turn onto Dunhead Avenue. As the sign says, welcome to Hopefield Triangle. Set of townhouses here on our right for sale. Can give a quick peek. Turning off from Starlight Avenue. It's a little bumpy. Now we're approaching Lady Musgrave. Taking this left turn onto Lady Musgrave Road. From Lady Musgrave Road, right turn onto Upper Musgrave Avenue. More construction, more development here on our left. Right now we're on Braemar Avenue. On our left right now is Cool 97, which of course is the name of a radio station here in Jamaica. Camlin Bank Road is where we are now. Give you an idea of that's another view of the area. Again, we're looking now at Cambridge. pass me. Don't pass me. So that building on our left right now is the UCC, University College. Not University College. What is it called again? Please comment in the comment section if you remember the name of this place. I know it's a university, but for some reason the name is escaping me right now. University of the Commonwealth Caribbean. And of course, if you're from the area, you know we're back onto, not just from the area, but if you know the area, we're back onto Trafalgar Road, which means of course we're no longer in the Golden Triangle. So I'm going to leave it here for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Do subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, take care.